We start with a live look outside from our WVTM 13 studio camera. We're looking over downtown Birmingham under a cloudy sky. A little bit breezy. You can see those trees blowing in the wind there. Winds at this point gusting anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour. But during the evening hours, as the rain exits, we could have wind gusts up to 40 in some locations. So far, we've been mainly dry, but we're starting to see the leading edge of that system arrive in some of our southwesternmost communities. Some rain and thunder falling near Aliceville. This is moving into Union, Eutaw, Forkland, Demopolis, now spreading over towards Greensboro here pretty soon. Havana, Moundville. These storms are not severe at this point. They're just general rain and thunderstorms, and these are going to keep spreading eastward through the rest of the evening. The worst of the weather so far has been confined close to the coastline. That's where there's better instability. We've been watching ongoing severe thunderstorm warnings over parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, at times tornado warnings as well. These storms are starting to impact southwest Alabama, and that's where there is a tornado watch lasting through 5 p.m. So for all of the counties you see here in yellow over southwest Alabama, parts of the Florida Panhandle, that's where the main severe risk lies with this system. Notice our counties not included in that tornado watch, but we are included in a flood watch. That covers some of our westernmost communities, southwesternmost communities, all of the counties here in green. That's where we can see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain that could lead to some flash flooding. Moving through the rest of the afternoon, rain keeps spreading eastward across central Alabama. This is a look towards 3 p.m. Heaviest rain falling along to the south of I-20. This is as the kids are getting done with school. And as we move the clock towards dinner time, this is 6 p.m. For the evening commute, it is likely to be wet, especially south of I-20. And I also have put the wind gusts on here. We'll have to monitor those carefully. As this system is exiting, you can see wind gusts possibly anywhere from 20 to 40 miles per hour. Rain comes mostly to an end around 8 p.m., spreading into Georgia, and winds remain gusty into the late evening hours as that system exits our area. Did want to show you the forecast rainfall totals, really kind of keeping in line with that chance of higher rainfall totals along into the south of I-20. That's where some of the wettest weather will be with this system, and that lines up perfectly with the Weather Prediction Center flooding outlook. The red color you see here is going to be a moderate risk for flooding across the southern half of the state, where some of the highest rainfall totals will be. For tomorrow, we are looking at some passing showers. Otherwise, temperatures end up in the mid-60s. Friday, we've got sunshine in the forecast, and we rebound into the low 70s. Let's take a closer look at the 7-day forecast. Of course, today an impact day. We want you weather aware. Have ways to get warnings just in case they're needed, but really the main threat for any kind of severe storm looks to hold to our south along the coast. Few spotty showers tomorrow. Friday, we are sunny and mild before we turn even warmer with lots of sunshine expected for the weekend.